Hey everyone, welcome to this rainy, crazy morning. It's really nasty here. It's storming today. We've had some flash flooding and everything. You'll have to excuse the cats in the background and the occasional child. It's the benefits of being a stay-at-home cat and mom to 3 kids. So today I just wanted to hop on here and talk about artists that inspire me, artists you should be following because they are super duper amazing or super duper helpful. So if you're a learning artist and you want to learn, or if you are a just somebody that likes to buy art, support small business, this is the video for you. And all of the artists will be linked below in the description. So you'll be able to find them and their websites and their Instagram. So most of these people are friends of mine. I met them on Instagram whenever I started my art journey. When I started posting on there, one friend led to another friend, and it led to a whole host of people that have helped me grow as an artist, grow as a small business, and I couldn't be more thankful for anybody in my life. So these people are truly amazing. I've kind of split this up into categories: artists you should follow because they make really cool art. And then artists who can help you grow as an artist, who have classes and who can help you, on your art journey. So that's kind of like what I did, who helped me learn. And then I have, friends, honorable mentions, cool people to follow because they make amazing art. So I'll just jump right in. And one of the biggest people, so I want to go over who you can follow to help you kind of grow as an artist and who has helped me grow as an artist. So one of the biggest people who has helped me grow and who has been just a gem, because, most of the time you meet these artists and all you're getting is the YouTube videos, or all you're getting is this static workshop. But she answers your questions. She is super relatable. She is a nice person. Overall, in general, she is just one of the kindest souls you ever meet. She loves animals. She has kitty cats. She is a very big environmentalist. But she is a great person, and she is out to help others. Like, it's not one of those people that it's like, oh, no, I'm not going to share how I do that or anything like that. Like, most of the stuff she shares because she's a self-taught artist as well. And she is amazing. She has this thing called Art Hero Monthly. And that lady is Miss Eva Lacey of Critterosity. This is one of my originals that I got from her. I love her creativity. Her simplicity is what makes her art beautiful. She has a way with colors that is gorgeous. This is her original character. Came clean out of her imagination. And it's really, really cute, and I could never let him go. So that's one of my originals that I got from her. Critterosity originals are few and far between because they're hard to get a hold of to an extent. But every once in a while, she'll get on Pop Shop Live, which is an online selling platform. You can find her there too. Just search Critterosity. And, she'll have original sales and stuff. So that's one of my originals. Eva also has done pieces like this. Steamboat Willie, and he's embellished. And then this came out of her Spoopy mystery box, so every once in a while she'll release limited edition boxes where you can get limited edition merch in them. She has Monster Girls. Sorry if I can hold it. She has Monster Girl art that she's done. Just gorgeous, gorgeous art. Gorgeous artist, and the simplicity in her design is what makes it beautiful. So this is probably one of my favorites, the Snow Bun collection line. This is my ornament for my tree. And then her collection of business cards, because it's like getting a small piece of art from the artist. So Eva has this thing called Art Hero Monthly. You can join it. You can, get limited edition stickers, magnets, stationery. She also has a thing called the ink and paint department. And the ink and paint department is where you're going to be able to get a monthly workshop. And it's like $15 a month. You get a monthly workshop sent to you, and it's practicing different skills. So the first month, because it's only been going on now for 2 months, the first month we learned about digital art and just general character design, playing with the shapes to develop your faces and, noses and stuff like that. And at the end of the lesson, you draw a character. This month it was like something with inking or something to that extent. But at any rate, it's a workshop you get every month, and it'll be emailed to you, and it's private. You have to pay for this one, but you learn new skills. Eva also has, for those that are like, man, I can't afford that right now, go back on her Instagram, because she has Draw With Me nights on her Instagram TV. I think it's like the second little box over on Instagram, but you go on there and you can do the Draw With Me nights. And the Draw With Me nights are like where she takes a character and you literally draw along. She'll be doing it on the iPad, but it converts easy to pencil and paper. And that muscle memory will get ingrained. Trust me. You will learn more about noses. You will learn more about designing the head, how to keep your character straight, guidelines. Just from going on her Instagram and getting her free Draw With Me's. You can also go to her YouTube channel, and she has like TikTok videos where she's done TikTok process videos where she's finishing pieces. And just watching somebody else do something teaches you so much. And so for sure recommend going on her YouTube channel and skimming back through those videos on Instagram and drawing along with those characters, because you will get invaluable information there. And if you catch her on TikTok Live, or you catch her, on Instagram Live one night, she is always open to answer your questions. So she's a sweet lady. Definitely recommend for anybody wanting to learn to improve their art, or if you just like really cute characters, because who doesn't? The next lady is the lady that actually introduced me to Eva, and she has something very similar to Eva. Hers is called the Positivity Squad, though. So she has ink and, it's kind of like the ink and paint department, but it's like Paint With Me nights where you'll do acrylic paintings, and you'll do a character, stickers, magnets, all of that fun jazz. So Miss Sey Studios is my next lady that I would 10 out of 10 follow. Definitely learn a lot from watching Sey paint. Her style is just so whimsical and fun and cute. You couldn't beat Sey. Like, she's the one that turned me to Eva, Critterosity. And here's her cute little business cards that I have collected. I mean, look at that. Look at that. A koala with a coffee. Quality coffee. Chewy. And she's got a really fun style. Like, it's adorable. And so I have originals of hers too. You're going to see a theme here to my originals I buy from Sey. So these are her retro mini TVs. You pull the top out, and then you can slide a little channel piece down in there. My channel piece is in my box somewhere because I don't want to lose it. But you can slide a new piece in there and then slide that back on. And boom, it looks like a little TV. So that's Loki and Loki Gator. She also did some hand-painted magnets for me. Can you tell who I really like? So I got Loki, and then I got Thor in Sey style. And then finally, she does these cute little porthole pieces, and I got Flounder, and, she signed it. This is from 2021. She's also done some skeleton unicorns and just all kinds of fun stuff. She's done maidens, where, you get like this girl, and then the top piece is kind of 3D, so it's like layered. And then her hair is painted, and like her face is kind of receded. Oh, they're gorgeous. So these two ladies here, you can definitely learn a lot from art-wise, just by catching them painting, catching them on Instagram Live, TikTok Live, taking their workshops through their websites, because Sey offers workshops on her website too. And like I said, that'll all be linked below. So definitely the two ladies I would say to follow for learning. Now, the people you should follow, because they're just cool people. Miss Maria Vega Paints has the most adorable gouache style. I mean, look at that. Her brush strokes are gorgeous. Her style is immaculate, and there's nobody like her. Her pieces, her Lion King pieces, I've got 1, 2, 3 of her Lion King pieces now. I need some more scenes from the Lion King. So if Maria, if you ever find this video, give me some Lion King. But her color choices are gorgeous. And Maria has a really fun, here's her Casper. She has a really fun, whimsical style. Like I said, it's all gouache. Now she's doing some mixed media stuff. So she's got a really fun style. Another person with a really fun style that I say follow, buy, love, share is Sleigherstudios. So this is one of his coasters from last year, and it's tangled. But he has these really cute, like, little plushies that he creates, and I'm gonna pull him up for you in just a second. Sorry guys, that's my cat. It's my cat. But he makes these cute little plushie characters, and so this year he started to focus more on original art. I do not blame him, not one bit, because, you know, we're all out here to grow. He's a wonderful human being. You can't beat Slayer at all. Sweetest person in the world. He's got the biggest personality, and he's just a wonderful person. We have talked a lot. We have grown as artists together. I've been here almost since the beginning of his art journey. I think I found him just slightly after. And I'm trying to pull up his cute little topsies and stuff for you guys so you can see it, because you deserve to see it. But he has the cutest characters. Let me just pull up his website. I'm just going to pull up the website for you all. Sleigherstudios.com. But he's a nice guy. And so here's his website. Topsy and Friends. And you can see that he makes the cutest little plushie art. Like, how do you not love that? So probably my favorite on here. Let me find him. Let me find the Topsy. Shop by character. So you can go on here and shop by character. So Topsy is one of my favorites. It's one of his first characters he did. But you got Topsy in all the different outfits. Like he's a clown, and look at him. Look at Topsy. And you can see how Topsy has evolved over time to these adorable little, they're adorable. But Sleigherstudios, definitely a guy to get your attention and your following. So he will be linked below too. Another one of my sweet friends, Fierce Fox Creations. She does silhouette art, and it's really cool. So she'll do like a watercolor silhouette in the background, and then have like the little black colored silhouette stuff from the movie at the bottom. So she has that. She also has Patreon. I think it's called the Fox Den, and so you can join on there. And last month's theme was a centaur. So she made a Rapunzel Tangled inspired centaur, and she was simply gorgeous. It was one of the coolest pieces that she's done. She's really grown as an artist. So here's her business cards with her artwork on it. So this is the Tangled Castle. And then here is one that she did a while back, and it's a winter peppermint elf. And so she has a cool style too. Definitely check her out. They'll be linked below. Bayle Jay, she's on YouTube. Another one of my favorites. If you want to learn her, she's got a cool book out. Draw like Bayle Jay, or Draw with Bayle Jay, something like that. And it really helps you with anatomy and everything. Draw Me an Art by Mia on Instagram. She has a fun like craft paper style. So Tigger Loki, back to Loki, you guys. So Tigger Loki, definitely somebody to follow. And then she's done some Dexter's Laboratory. This is an original. So she does some really cool craft paper pieces. And then finally, another honorable mention, because she just does the sweetest art, and she has made all of these for me because I like Fox and the Hound, Megnog Doodles. So those are kind of the artists I think you should be following, because they have cool art, they're nice people, they're small business. Always support small business. That's kind of my deal, you know, support an artist, support a life. But if you want to learn, Sey Studios, Critterosity. If you want some cool artists, Maria Vega Paints, Draw Me an Art by Mia Schebert, Megnog Doodles, and then Sleigherstudios and Fierce Fox Creations. So thank you guys for coming out today and kind of hanging out with me and listening to artists that I like, who I've learned to grow from. Like and subscribe below for some more fun art videos. We're going to start next week with our art series, so we might do a draw along with me, or some just general Procreate hacks, because a lot of people are moving to digital art now, so we might do some Procreate hacks videos. So yeah, like and subscribe, and catch me on Instagram Live, because I have some cool new designs coming out.